Charlotte 911, do you need police, fire, or medic?
Outside of my apartment was a guy with a pistol trying to steal my car, and he was pointing at me. He was trying to kill me.
All right, and when did this happen?
Right now.
So he tried to rob your vehicle?
Yes.
And he had a gun?
Yeah, he was pointing at me.
What did he look like? Was he white, black, or Hispanic?
He's black. He has a black backpack, and he has a black pen and black
Okay, and he had a pistol?
Sweater. Yeah, he had a pistol. He is still right here in the apartment.
Okay, so he pointed the gun at you, is that right?
Yes.
Okay, so when you confronted him, he pointed the gun at you?
Yes. He put the gun in my head.
All right, and he's still in the parking lot?
Yes, he's in front of the office.
Charlotte, North Carolina. A normal morning call turns into chaos in just seconds. Officers respond to a report. Someone's breaking into cars, maybe armed. When they arrive, they spot a teenager, just 14 years old, running from the scene. What happens next, no one saw coming. The teen turns around, gun in hand, and fires. The officer goes down, hit in the shoulder, his body cam still rolling. This is the moment everything changed. Watch closely. This footage tells the story you'll never forget.
Fuck! Oh, fuck. 1100. I shot at suspect. I'm shot. Start medic for me. Fuck. Fuck. 1100. 1100, I'm down. 6209, wing down. Fuck. 1100, hold the channel. Baker 3 units taking him into custody. Fuck!
Take the first right in front of the office.
You good, man?
Headquarters, you haven't already started. Start now.
Yeah, I'm shot.
Okay, already in route.
I'm good.
713, I got the suspect in custody. 10-4, all units copy suspect in custody, time 729.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Just help him. Ah, fuck. Fuck.
Headquarters, what's 20 of the officer? 6309, Winged M Court. 6309, Winged M Court.
Thanks in the trap.
Where you at?
I'm in the trap.
No, it's okay. I'm going to be right in front of your office.
Fuck.
At Winged M Court.
Left or right?
Left.
So one officer is taking the head, and I'm exactly sure where yet. We're checking them out right now.
Up top.
Yeah, that's it.
Have suspect in custody.
I'm good. I'm good.
Has his firearm.
I got you. I got you. Calm down, man. You're good. We're good.
I'm sprinting, that's all.
We're good. Look at it. Is it through and through?
Looks like it's just in.
All right. I'm good, man. You got a gauze?
Yeah.
That motherfuckers. You know who that is?
Yeah.
My camera's still on. Glove up, bro. Just hold that on.
I know it hurts.
Hey, Sarge, there's a mag over there. I don't. Just so you know.
Where's it?
He shot me right here. I went down. Turn fire there.
See hit?
I don't know. You might want to check this.
Here, I got you.
I'm good.
See hit?
Yeah.
Good. I know, but I got stuff. Here. Slow traffic. I got you. You got it? All right. I got it. You got shears? Your shears. How many times did you fire?
Just one. He was right here. I was right here.
Yeah. I gotta get there.
I'm good. I'm good. Calm down. Everybody calm down. Crap.
You have a weapon over there? Where's the weapon?
I think he's standing on over there.
Yeah, he's got the guns over there.
Do you need anything? I gotta find a medical thing.
I got it. We got it wrapped. One.
I'm good.
Wrap it this side. Wrap it on this side. Wrap around his neck. The other side.
I'm coming across.
Hey, we're gonna need to clear a path forward with the cars. Too many cars.
Behind the cars, whatnot.
Trail 14 Central Providence Metro shut down traffic on interference when you go 17. Advise where you're going and what route.
Copy, fire 20 gas.
This shirt, will you grab my left side and
Keep on when y'all clearing out the Richmond Road.
Keep that pressure.
A lot of companies going to be shot. Trouble.
I didn't see an exit wound. What are you shooting last?
I think 42 medic staging out here.
There's one hole right here.
Okay. I'm gonna take this off.
Says, let's just cut the whole shirt off.
Whether you need
You can
to sit off your feet.
Yeah, I just feel sick.
65 when we drop down.
Is it just the top graze? Is it the graze?
Nah, I think it went in.
Let's get on your sit at your feet.
I'm just gonna take this off, man, okay?
Yeah, just cut that. Hey, did you get hit in the back at all? No. This is just a graze. There you go, so you got pressure. Come on.
I'm
Just
stop spinning around for you.
It's just a graze wound.
That's a graze?
Yeah, it's just a graze. That's on the spot, right? Okay.
They checked you already?
Let's pull up. So we guys radio?
Everybody else is good? His radio. Everybody else is good? That's Whitley's radio.
Got it.
I'll follow. I'm with you.
You're gonna need to drop that stuff. Tony, who'd you ride with? Just drop that. I'll stay with it. You rode with it? Stay with it? Yeah, because we got Here's this camera still running.
Tony will ride with them.
All right.
I'll watch you. Tony will ride with them and you'll follow.
Yeah, I was just standing. You got it? You got it, yeah. But, like here.
I don't have the cone.
Yeah, it's just great.
I'm following. He's riding. I'm following.
Upper scan.
over there if he's able.
Just leave that there, sir.
One will follow, and I got one to ride. Alert anything?
Okay, Providence, we're going to shut it down.
Anyone at Douglas Hospital they're going to?
CNC,
Yep.
Gordy. Lang,
Hey, Ross, let's we need to shut down that one.
you and Draper, shut it down over on this side. Rope this on. Rope all the way on this
Yeah,
side
it's just
over
a
here.
graze right there.
across the top of the shoulder.
You want to stand up? Okay, that's fine. Stood up.
He's right here. Yeah, the medic's right here, Coach.
Okay, go ahead for a copy of the Yes, Mark.
Got a small grazing wound off the top of his left shoulder. Did not go through.
5813. Count of phone.
The officer made it out alive that night, but not everyone's that lucky. This is real life, not a movie. If stories like this hit you the way they hit me, drop a like to show your respect. Leave a comment. Tell me what you would have done in that moment. And if you want more real body cam stories like this one, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell. Every clip here tells a story that deserves to be seen.